Well, now is the time to create the conveyor. Well, the same as we did for the gripper empty station, create and modeling. Sorry, uh, import and conveyor. So the dimensions should be 950 mm and width uh, the length should be 4 mm, 950 and 4. Okay, here it is. As this thing is the library file, so we have to disconnect to make the changes. We have to disconnect it from the library. So disconnect library, and now we have to change the position of it. So just right click on and position and set position, and here we are. So this is X, Y, and Z. Yeah, close. So we have to make it. We have to make this conveyor as a smart conveyor. So we have to put it in smart component. So modeling smart component from the menu, and then modeling smart component, and we have to drag and drop again from the layout. Now the next step is uh, the work object creation, a box on it. Well, now we have to create a box on the conveyor. So the corner point is so the box is created on the conveyor. We have to rename it as well as a box. Now it's time to set all the child components as we did in the gripper, and IO connections, bindings, IO signals, and different things. So for instance, I'm just creating one of the child component. For instance, over here add component, and add component is source, for instance. Source over here, and the source is basically box. Here we are, and make a tick in the transient box. So here we are. So all the details about this child component is over here. Do remember about, like, look at the auto reset has been set, select or tick mark in for the DI new box. So whenever you are defining DI new box, DI new box over here, so the box, so the tick in the reset should be there. Just do remember this sentence. I'm highlighting it. So again, the same way we did in the gripper, that we just created all of them. For instance, I created two of IO connections for the gripper. Let's make IO signal, one of the IO signals in it, but I don't think so it will be there. Or property binding, prop- add binding, and for instance it's the source is over here. You are just supposed to, for instance, it's a source object. So in the source object you are supposed to select source, and in source property you are you are supposed to select copy, and then q. For instance, I haven't added q child component, so it will be over there in the drop down list, and back. So it will be there. The back will be in the drop down list. So all you need to set one by one all of these IO connections and IO signals, IO bindings, sorry, property bindings, and all of them carefully. I'm repeating, like, all you need to do is set all of them very carefully. Not a single mistake. If you do any single mistake, it will be like your program won't work then. So this is it for the creation of the conveyor. Now next will be the palette. So good luck for creating the conveyor as well.